Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time here, you're highly welcome. Okay guys, so today is a cook with me video. I hope you will enjoy watching this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and when you do subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Okay guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, as you all can see here, I want to make coconut rice, okay, with some vegetables and chicken, okay, and I'm also going to be adding a bit of butter because I like the taste of butter in the coconut rice. My butter, my children have used it finished, so I'm going to be using some of these ones. And also I'm going to be making plantain as well. Okay, so we have the rice here. Okay, in here I have seasoned oil. In here I have chili pepper. I have 4 tin of coconut milk. I may be using the 4, I may not be using the 4, I may use only 3. We'll see how it goes. Over here I have some mixed vegetable. Over here I got the cooked chicken, and I got some frozen sliced bell pepper in there. I got salt in there. Here I have some ginger and garlic in there. So I got some ginger, garlic, ginger, and some onion in there. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using all this to cook my coconut rice. All right. Okay guys, so what I normally do first is I pre-wash my rice and I pre-cook it, like not cook in the cooker. I cook it with the hot water, wash it thoroughly. That's what I normally do with my rice first. If you are used to watching me cook, you would have seen that I normally like to pre-cook my rice with hot water first, wash it clean before I start using it to cook whatever kind of rice dish I want to cook. And I'm using basmati golden satara, this satara basmati rice. That's what I'm using guys. So I'm going to be adding the coconut milk to the rice, okay, and then I'm also going to be using boiled hot water. Okay, so there's different ways of cooking coconut rice. As I always say, there's different ways of cooking. Okay, you might find mine simple to do, you might find somebody else simple to do. So I'm just adding the coconut milk. I think I'm going to use all 4 of them. I'm going to be using all 4 of them. I just want to move the camera back a bit. Yeah, let's see. Just because I think I want it to be really coconutty, to taste very nice. So I'm going to be using all 4 of them. Okay guys, so I'm going to be stirring it a bit, and then I'm going to add water. Can you see that it looks very coconutty, very creamy? This is boiled water guys, boiled water. So the way I cook my coconut rice sometimes to be quick, I normally just add everything at once, apart from the chicken and the vegetables, because the chicken is already cooked. It's cooked frozen chicken, okay, that is, and that's the frozen veg, okay. So I add them when it's almost cooked, when the rice is almost cooked. That's when I add them, because they are already, the chicken is already cooked, and I don't want the vegetables to be overcooked. so I tend to add them when the rice is almost cooked, but I add every other thing now. So I'm going to be adding my onion. So I'm just adding everything. This is a quick way of cooking coconut rice sometimes. Quick way. If you don't like garlic and ginger and onion, you can skip. It's not necessary you add it. I'm just trying this. Just adding it because I like it anyway, so I'm not trying it. I like it, that's why I'm adding it. I'm going to be adding a bit more water. So I'm going to be adding some chili pepper. If you don't like pepper, please skip. Some chili pepper. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching. Share it. Comment. Subscribe if you enjoy, and turn on the notification bell when you do subscribe. Okay, if you don't like chili pepper, please do not add it. So I'm going to be adding seasoned oil. So I'm going to also be adding some salt as well. The butter and the rest of them, I'm going to be adding them when the rice is almost cooked. So I'm adding some salt. I'm not going to be using a lot of butter, just so I can taste the taste of the butter. The butter I would normally use, as I said earlier on, my children have finished it, so I have to use the spread butter on it. Okay guys, don't worry, it's not going to be looking red because of the chili pepper. By the time it's cooked, it's going to look white, like the way coconut rice should look, apart from when I add the vegetables to it. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some chicken non-cube. Okay, yeah, I'm going to be adding some of these. As I say, I like to just add everything, cook it a little bit, cover it up with foil paper, and steam cook it. But before then, I like to just add everything to it before I do that. Okay, so once I finish adding these, guys, I'm just going to stir it. I'm just going to stir it, and oops, one of them has dropped in there. Hopefully I'll crumble it. Yeah. Okay, so all I need to do now is cover it and leave it to cook, and I'll come and show you guys the next stage. Okay guys, so I'm going to open my rice. Can you guys see that it's dried? Not completely dried. So I'm going to give it a quick stir. Okay, and then I'm going to be adding a bit of the butter instead of adding cooking oil. Normally you don't have to add anything to your jollof rice, but I just like the taste of the butter, so I'm just going to add some of this spreadable butter. As I say, you don't really have to add it. This is optional. It's just because I like the taste of it. That's why I'm adding it. It's optional, guys. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, so I'm going to stir it. And then I'm going to be adding every other thing now once I stir it. I'm going to be adding, because it's nearly cooked now, as you guys can see. It's nearly cooked. So this is the time to add every other thing to it. Okay, and I have my plantain frying there. So I'm going to be adding my minced vegetable. The chicken. This is cooked chicken, frozen cooked chicken. Frozen pepper. It's going to look very colorful. So now I'm going to stir it together. Mind you, I'm cooking this in a low heat, guys, so just to avoid it getting too burnt. So I'm just going to stir it, stir everything together. Just stir it properly together. Can you see how colorful it's looking? It's looking very colorful. Okay guys, I'm going to give my plantain a stir. I'm going to turn it. The plantain is nearly ready now. So I'll continue to just stir this one properly. Okay, and then afterwards I'm just going to cover it. Okay guys, and then I'll show you guys once it's cooked. I'll show you guys how it's looking like. Okay, so I'm going to just cover it. And leave it for like another 30 minutes. Okay guys, our rice is ready. As you guys can see, it's cooked now. It's perfectly cooked. Okay, can you guys see how dry that is? Very nice. So this is a quick way of cooking vegetable coconut rice. Okay guys, very quick, fast, easy, tasty, really yummy. So it's cooked now. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it so that somebody else can learn how to make this quick, simple coconut rice. Okay guys, please share it to your friends, to everybody. If you enjoy watching this far, please consider subscribing for more videos When you do subscribe, please turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Hey guys, so it's done. Alright guys, it looks very colorful, isn't it? And we have the chicken here to eat it. My plantain is ready as well. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video.